Bye, Luna. I know, I miss you. I'm sorry. I'll be back soon. Love you. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm traveling from Fort Lauderdale to New York John F. Kennedy International Airport with Delta Airlines. The last time I flew with Delta was in 2007, so I'm sure a lot of things have changed. I'm also going to check out the Delta Sky Club Lounge, which opened up in June 23rd of 2021. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and without further ado, let's get to it. Yeah, I'm like, what's going on? Oh, now I'm good?
I'm sorry.
You're good.
It's too early in the morning today.
I know, it's
Back
okay.
up just a little bit. And come to this one.
This one?
This one, she actually, she's one and a half.
In the mirror.
No, she's not. One more time.
Please center your eyes. Please come a little closer to
All right,
You are
have a
clear.
Thank you. Have a great afternoon. You too. Have a great day. Hey, good morning. How are you? Good?
Yeah. Good morning. Have one
good
standard
morning.
verify.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Take care. Delta Airlines operates out of Terminal 2. Once you get through TSA, you'll notice the Sky Club right in front of you, located on the second floor. Hey, good morning.
Stop it or insert it in there. Yeah, there you are.
Nice.
Welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you. So here we are at the lounge. As you can see, it is not overcrowded due to booking an early flight which departed at 7 a.m. The lounge is very well equipped with warm food as well as yogurts, pastries, coffee, water, juice, and even alcohol, which unfortunately I was not able to enjoy since it was so early in the morning. The staff was also very friendly and the facility was well kept. I would love to come back to this lounge during peak hours just to see the atmosphere. These lounges tend to get very busy throughout the day and sometimes can feel way too crowded. Take care. Have a good one. Thank you. I decided to head over to my gate right after having a quick breakfast. My boarding gate for this flight was D6. Boarding began right on time, and thankfully we had an on-time departure. Thank you.
My name is Victoria and I'm the flight leader on today's flight. I'm assisted by three other wonderful Fort Lauderdale-based flight attendants, and it's our pleasure to take care of you today. Before we depart, please direct your attention to the video screens for a brief presentation of the safety features of our Airbus 321 aircraft.
This was recovered for departure.
Alright, now that we're up in the air, let's take a look at the Wi-Fi packages available. I have to say that $5 for Wi-Fi access for the duration of the flight is a pretty good deal. So Delta has a very responsive IFE system on board, which is loaded with great entertainment options and very responsive as well. Live TV was also available but was very limited. We know which American carrier takes the cake when it comes to live TV. There really isn't too much to talk about in regards to the in-flight service. Since I was flying economy, I was only provided with a soft drink and a pretzel. Alcoholic beverages and snacks were also available for an additional fee. Alright peeps, this sums up another flight review. Once again, thank you for tuning in and I really hope you enjoyed it. I got a couple of other videos lined up, which I hope to share soon. I also have an Instagram account which is dedicated strictly to plane spotting. I'll leave the details below in case you want to check it out. Until then, stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you soon. Peace!